Welcome back to my channel Tech Tricks Info. Today we are diving into a crucial topic, identifying and fixing a cracked or worn timing gear keyway. Let's get started. This is part 2 of our video, crankshaft repair, replace or reuse. So in that video we have explained about all the scenarios where you want to repair, replace or reuse a crankshaft if it's faulty. In this video we are purely focusing on timing gear keyway fault. Part 3 will be coming soon tomorrow, that's on inspect for overheating. So let's continue. When this keyway is cracked or worn, it can cause serious engine issues. How can you identify a cracked or worn timing gear keyway? Look out for these symptoms. The first one is like your engine is stalling, or if it's rough running. A misaligned timing gear can cause your engine to run unevenly. Check your engine light on the dash. Your engine control unit might detect timing issues, and that will bring up a engine light on the dash. Unusual noises from your engine. You might hear rattling or clunking sounds coming from your engine's timing gear area. If your engine lacks power or acceleration, it might be due to timing issues. Can your timing gear related issues be repaired? Yes, it can be, but the repair can be quite expensive. Repairing or replacing a timing gear keyway often means disassembling a significant portion of your engine. Why can't it be repaired easily? The timing gear keyway is crucial for the precise engine timing. If it's damaged, it often means that other engine components can also be affected. Repairing it involves significant labor and expertise, making it a costlier job. Cost of your repair can vary, but typically it can be quite expensive due to the high amount of labor involved. You might be looking at around $1,000 depending on the extent of the damage and your vehicle model. So how do you fix it? So here is a brief overview. 1. Remove the timing gear. This involves taking apart several engine components to access your timing gear. Number 2. Inspect the keyway. Check for cracks or excessive wear and tear. 3. Replace the damaged keyway or the timing gear and install new parts as needed. 4. Reassemble the engine. Put everything back together and ensure that everything is properly aligned. If you suspect a cracked or worn timing gear keyway, it's best to have a professional mechanic handling that. That will help to avoid any further damage. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help keep your engine running smoothly. So I think you got an idea about if your timing gear keyway is faulty, what to be done. So as I said, our next video will be focused on inspection of overheating issues on your crankshaft. Stay tuned in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and you can ask any questions. I will definitely be responding to your questions. Have a good day.